fell in love with the first sight of you.
We have Leo here today, and we have Roberto El Gato. Let's bark. Bark!
Have you stopped playing PS4 or you still go online?
I just been using my computer.
Yeah, Leo goes usually everywhere at this point. He's like, my friend, we have the USB.
Back to PS4?
What the hell is up with you, motherfucker? Fuck! So what's up, Leo?
Alright, I'm alright. Here hanging out with my friends.
We're hanging out today, finally, about fucking time. No, it's not that. It's that you usually never ask to hang out because you're
I asked to hang out.
Now you do, nigga. Before you didn't. You don't remember?
Wow.
Back then you were like, oh fuck, I don't want to go.
I was doing stuff.
What the fuck, nigga? Oh my fucking god.
The whole ride.
What the? What did you put a 10-hour shit, nigga? What the fuck? Oh yeah, Manolo. Manolo. Call him Manolo. Manolo. My friend, today we have a new concept. It's called Billiards, nigga. Billiards. It's not billiards anymore. It's not 8-ball pool.
Really, nigga?
What does it say there? It says, I don't know if it says ho.
Oh, nigga.
It's just the ho is typing. Bad meme is bad.
What the fuck, nigga? Take it away, Leo.
Okay, $8 for a person per hour? Yeah. So that's like 15 now. I mean, that's 24 now. Yeah.
It has to bounce over here. What the fuck is this nigga doing?
Oh, God is divine. Please show me what it's like to cry again. Her beautiful eyes shows me that in life it's better to pretend. I'm colorblind. I cannot tell the difference between the two.
He said, look, it's a disco ball, nigga. Look at the fucking ball, nigga.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
Oh my god!
You have to do the other way, you gotta throw it back and bounce it off, I guess. What the?
You know I can't stop screaming while I'm dreaming about you. You know will bleed from what I see around you. Screaming deep inside my sleep, yet I'm awake.
Put the camera on top. Get the ball, get the ball.
Your bright eyes are telling me what
got it closer.
Oh! Yo, say, oh!
Really, nigga?
Alright, let's bounce.